How can you switch all the notification turn on your iPhone? Is if you're not getting any type of notification or any type of alert inside your iPhone, so maybe your notifications are turned off, they're disabled. How can you turn them on or how can you enable them? This video is all about that. So hey guys, welcome back to the channel again. In today's video we will just discuss all the things. Firstly, we just need to check that what has the problem in our iPhone, why we are not getting any type of notifications. So for this we just need to go on the setting option here like this. Let me just do that. This is my home page of my setting here, and here you will see on the second para here the first option is called notification. Click on that notification setting. Here you can see all the applications and all the websites supporting the notification. You can just click one by one on them and allow notifications if the notification is disabled in your iPhone. After that, you can see there is a notification called screen sharing. Notification is already off. You can turn it on. Schedule summary, you can turn it on. After that, you can also see that there is the Slack or there is a list of your notification. You can also convert them. The theme is that count, stack, and the list. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching it. Please subscribe the channel if you like, and we will meet again with next and the best video with all of you. Keep watching, keep loving.